Let's get started and talk about the number one and the biggest challenge for SMB businesses when it comes to Google Ads. And that is expectation gap to get qualified leads faster. And what I really mean is that SMB businesses are expecting their agencies' freelancers to get them qualified leads fast in a month or two. Now, I would say they are right in their own way, especially if they are paying $2,000 to $5,000 in just management fees. Now, what really SMB business is asking from their agencies and freelancers? In my opinion, what they're really saying is that learn everything about my business in 1 to 2 months. And you may ask me, Hardeep, I'm not asking my agency freelancer to learn about my business in 1 to 2 months. Are you crazy? I want my agencies to run Google Ads for me and get me qualified leads faster. And you are absolutely right. However, in my opinion, without a great understanding of your business, it's tough to optimize your Google Ads account profitably. Yes, you may get leads, and yes, they are not going to be the highest quality, and yes, your customer acquisition costs going to be really high, and all these reasons going to be the reason that you may say Google Ads are not working for you or is not profitable for you.